Wealth starts in your mind before it shows in your bank account. These affirmations have improved my financial mindset, and they'll do the same for you. Stay until the end for our motivational quote, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. I am financially successful. I can build wealth quickly. I create prosperity daily. People invest with me. Every day I get richer. Today, wealth flows to me. I am money smart. I have a millionaire mindset. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.